Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're looking at example 2, creating a system with 0, 1, or infinite solutions. A little typo, I just want to fix that now. The negative should have been in front of the 2x and the y should have been plus. Alright, so please fix that. My apologies. So the 2 should be negative and the y should be plus and the 4 is fine. So it says given the equation, write another equation that will form a linear system with exactly one solution. So again, there's going to be an infinite number of answers here. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your equation and transfer it into y equals form, slope-intercept form. So we'd add the 2x to both sides, right? So we want to take our equation and we want to rearrange it. And to rearrange that, we would add the 2x to both sides. So it would be y equals 2x plus 4. Alright. So to get an exactly one solution, remember the definition of exactly one solution is if your equation has a different slope, right? So you can write, look, I mean, there's an infinite number of solutions there. So I'll take that, I'll change my slope to 3. You can change my y-intercept to 2. And you could have left your y-intercept if you wanted, but that's simply what you do, right? There's an infinite number of solutions here. So if we want no solution, that means the lines need to be parallel. So we take our equation, and what we do is the slope needs to be the same, and the y-intercept has to change. So we can make that plus 5 instead, right? And there you are. That's one example. And this will run parallel with this line because the slopes are the same. In an infinite number of solutions, to do that, what you're going to need to do is you could just multiply it by a factor, right? So take the original, right, and multiply everything by 2. So it would be like 4x plus 2y plus 8. And there you are. It's as simple as that, right? Okay. And this line here, when rearranged, will come back to this, right? So if I show you rearranging this, right, we would add the 4x to both sides. Okay. The negative 4x is gone. We add it to both sides. Right. So it ends up being 4x plus 8. And divide both sides by 2. And we end up with 2x plus 4. So it goes back to the original, right? Okay. And if the lines are exact same in slope-intercept form, then we know we have an infinite number of solutions. Okay, check your understanding question. You can do work on that. And then there's some homework as well. And the homework is found on page 448, 6, 7, 11, 15, and 17. And then if you look at page 1, starting at 152, there's a review part there. And there's also a practice test, and I'll assign that another time. Okay, but that's it for the whole chapter 7. All right, and we have one more chapter left to do, and that's chapter 8, and we're going to look at some financial mathematics. So if you have any questions at all, please ask. I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll talk again soon.